To write the formula for potassium acetate, we first will write the symbol, the element symbol for potassium, and that is just K for potassium. So the acetate, this ATE, that means we won't find this on the periodic table. We either need to have memorized that it's the acetate ion, CH3COO-, or if we're allowed, we could look it up on a table of polyatomic ions. So here's a table, and let's find acetate. Acetate is right here. So we have the acetate ion CH3COO-. Sometimes you'll see it written this way, and that's okay too. I prefer this way, so that's what we'll use in this video. Let's go back to the formula. So we have our acetate ion, that CH3COO-, and because potassium, that's a metal, and this acetate ion, it's made up of nonmetals, this is going to be an ionic compound. So we're going to need to balance the charge. Let's look up the charge on the potassium ion. So potassium right here, it's in group 1, so it'll have a 1+ ionic charge. So we can add that to our formula. So potassium has that 1+ ionic charge, and the whole acetate ion, the whole thing is 1-. So we said that this was an ionic compound, and the charge it needed to balance. 1+, 1-, that adds up to 0. We have a net charge of 0. So this is the formula for potassium acetate. Let's remove these symbols here. And this is our formula. You'll often, though, see the K placed at the end of the formula like this. That's because the acetate ion, it arises when we have reactions with acetic acid. And acetic acid, it'll lose this hydrogen in chemical reactions. So you can kind of think of the K as replacing the hydrogen. So we put the K at the end of potassium acetate. Sometimes. You'll see it both ways, and either way is correct. This is Dr. B with the formula for potassium acetate. Thanks for watching.